How to fix WhatsApp video call unavailable problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the settings option from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the storage and data option. Further, under the network tab, make sure the toggle button for use less data for calls is toggled off and see if your issue is fixed. If not, in settings again, scroll down and tap on the help option and then tap on the help center option. Now, under the help topics, tap on the voice and video calls option and then tap on the troubleshooting option. Further, tap on the can't make WhatsApp video calls option and in the interface that you will be led to. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Contact Us option and then tap on the Start Chat option. Now, go ahead and type in your issue and WhatsApp support team will help you accordingly. Make sure to be very specific and informative while sending the query for better responses from the support team. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp video call unavailable problem. Find this tutorial helpful. Please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.